Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to send video message on WhatsApp. If you're using WhatsApp, now you want to send video message, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to open your WhatsApp app and here just select the chat and which you want to send a video message, and I'm going to select this one, just tap on it. And here you will get the microphone option. You can send a voice message using that, or if you want to send a video message, just select this camera option. You must have to scroll the camera option up just like that, and you will get this type pop-up. So you must have to do this again, and from here you can easily send a video message on WhatsApp, the send option. And you can see the video message has been sent. Now whenever you tap on this, it will automatically play it. So that's how you can easily send video message on WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.